As you approach the house, it becomes apparent that it has a sculptural quality to it. There is no sort of back end to this house. It's engaged in expansive coastal views and undulating rural landscape that head out towards the north, towards Western Port Bay. The building is three connected barn-like forms that engage with the site and also step down the landscape. These barn forms use a 40-degree pitched roof to create the opportunity of having sizable space at the ground level and then more intimate, engaging spaces on the upper floors. In conceiving the materials palette for this project, we wanted to look at materials that were very much sort of the earth and from the earth. So there was quite a bit of work put into sourcing the West Australian limestone, and it gave us that softness and connection to the natural landscape that was fitting and contextual to this type of project. It's as if the building has been carved out of timber. We've utilised Tasmanian timber in the internal lining, in the engineered floorboards, in the solid Tasmanian oak joinery, and in other feature elements throughout the house. Natural light is very much used within the materials palette to highlight texture, changes of shadow and depth throughout the day. One of the great successes of this project is that while we've got these sort of carved, double height, open spaces, they still have air conditioning, they still have operable blinds, they still have in-floor heating. It's a highly functional building that incorporates all of the trimmings of modern design. This is a home that is, on the one hand, simple and uncontrived, and on the other hand, a highly resolved and considered piece of architecture. Australian architects are keenly aware of the vital role we play to impact and encourage change. In terms of the Flinders project, it was important that the architectural expression was engaging, playful, and relatable. This is a project that needed to have that sort of sense of connection to normal everyday experience rather than something that was perhaps more extreme or avant-garde in its expression.